Imagine a world where ancient wisdom meets modern regulation, creating a pathway for traditional healing foods to thrive in today's market. That's exactly what's happening in India, where the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, has introduced a groundbreaking category called Ayurveda Ahaara, a term that's about to become a game-changer for both consumers and manufacturers. But here's where it gets controversial. While this move promises to standardize and legitimize Ayurvedic food products, it also raises questions about how traditional practices can coexist with modern regulatory frameworks without losing their essence. Will this blend of old and new truly benefit everyone, or could it dilute the authenticity of Ayurveda? Let's dive in. Starting September 1st, 2023, FSSAI's Food Safety Compliance System, FOSCOS, now allows manufacturers to register under this new kind of business, KOB, marking a significant shift in how Ayurvedic foods are produced, regulated, and sold. This comes at a time when India's Ayurvedic products market is booming, valued at 748.5 billion rupees in 2023, and projected to skyrocket to 3,207.6 billion rupees by 2032, according to IMARC Group. And this is the part most people miss. Until now, there was no clear regulatory pathway for Ayurveda Ahaara, leaving both businesses and consumers in a gray area. The new category addresses this gap by providing a structured licensing process, ensuring that products labeled as Ayurveda Ahaara are prepared strictly according to recipes and methods outlined in the authoritative Ayurvedic texts. These texts, including Charaka Chikitsasthana, Sushruta Sutrasthana, and Bala Prakash Nigantu, are centuries-old manuscripts that detail therapeutic, surgical, and medicinal practices. The regulations also include texts like Kashyapa Kalpasthana and Kshema Kutuhala, which focus on specific recipes and formulations. Here's the catch. While the category embraces botanical ingredients aligned with Ayurvedic principles, it explicitly excludes Ayurvedic drugs, proprietary medicines, narcotics, and certain other substances, drawing a clear line between food and medicine. Examples of Ayurveda Ahaara products range from familiar dishes like Krishara, Khichdi, and Dadi, curd-based preparations, to lesser-known items such as Angarakarkati, baked wheat balls, panaka, fruit drinks, and Gulkand, rose petal jam. These aren't just foods, they're part of a holistic approach to health rooted in the belief that food is medicine. Dr. Ankit Bansal, a consultant at Sri Balaji Action Medical Institute, emphasizes Ayurveda Ahaara bridges nutrition and medicine, offering preventive and therapeutic benefits for conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and obesity. Its growing popularity reflects a global shift towards sustainable, holistic health practices. For manufacturers, this change is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it provides a clear legal framework for licensing and registration, making it easier to sell products legally. On the other hand, it imposes stricter compliance requirements, which could be seen as a hurdle for smaller businesses. An FSSAI official notes, this system ensures product safety and quality, building consumer trust. It also allows for future expansion, as companies can propose new products backed by Ayurvedic texts. But here's the bold question. Is this regulation a step toward preserving Ayurveda's integrity, or does it risk commodifying a tradition that has thrived for millennia? Sanjeev Asthana, CEO of Patanjali Foods Ltd, applauds the move, stating, "This fills a critical gap in the regulatory framework, ensuring safety, quality, and authenticity for consumers." It also provides clarity for the industry, fostering a science-backed, sustainable approach to Ayurveda. However, skeptics argue that over-regulation could stifle innovation and dilute the personalized nature of Ayurvedic practices. Looking ahead, this initiative could boost India's Ayurvedic food exports, positioning the country as a global leader in traditional wellness. Asthana adds, "We're committed to supporting this initiative through awareness, capacity building, and technical assistance." Yet the success of this endeavor hinges on balancing regulation with respect for Ayurveda's timeless principles. What do you think? Is this regulation a necessary step to protect consumers and elevate Ayurveda's status? or does it risk overshadowing the tradition's essence? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the future of Ayurvedic food.